Hello, money makers. This is your boy Duran. I have an exciting new opportunity that I think you guys are going to really enjoy. Aren't you tired of me saying that line? This is called the News Break. Welcome to Newsbreak Contributor Network. You can get paid to write articles similar to vocalmedia.com. You have to understand their guidelines here because they're very strict. If you generate AI articles consistently, you're not going to make any money. You can go to ChatGPT and you can read ChatGPT to write the particular articles. You can generate the articles, but you have to really make it your own. You need to put your own thoughts and opinions, and you really make it real funny, sarcastic, throw a little bit of humor onto there, because that's what's going to make you the most money. It needs to be original. It seemed like it was written from an actual human being. If you generate it consistently with AI, they may disqualify you from their website. So you don't want to do that. So you need to understand the guidelines, you need to learn the best practices to write the articles, and make sure your profile is up to date and looks good. Here I'm in my news break profile. And you can manage your content, search your drafts, you can search deleted content and all that good stuff. You can write your article. I'm gonna go back. You can see how many strike managements you have overall. If your content was flagged for AI, or so up here. And then the content insights. This is where you find different other articles that was written and kind of see how you can play onto them and what makes them trendy on this particular website. And then you can check on the monetization tool. See, if you're a new site, you probably won't have that because unlike vocal media, where you can write as much as you want to and you get paid no matter who reads it, this particular website, you need at least 100 followers and 10 published articles in order to apply for their monetization program. So you can start making money from your articles. So this is a really good website that I highly recommend. You can't go wrong with creators.newsbreak. Then you have another website called Good News Network. This is where you can get the good news from if you want to stand out. Copy and paste into ChatGPT. You can go over to paraphrase.io where you can copy and paste it. Click at the bottom where it says paraphrase now, and it'll paraphrase word from word and make it really truly your own. Then you can go back as an actual human being that's thinking logically to get out any defects because no program is going to be perfect. You got to still kind of go in and add that human touch to it. The next website here is impact.com. It's pretty a website where you get paid to collaborate with influencers and things to that nature. So yeah, impact.com, you sign up, click on sign up with email, and it's gonna have you click on the link to confirm that that is your email and all that good stuff, and you can make as much money as you can with this particular website. If you are a specific niche, you can collaborate with different brands. So it helps you and it helps the brand. It helps the brand because you are using your followers and your and your fan base to help them out to expose their products. The more people that sees their products, they're going to get paid, and then vice versa, the more people that like what you have to say and present, you're going to get more followers and likes and subscribers as well. So it's a win-win for both parties. So impact.com is really good. User analytics is where you test different websites, give your opinions, and just test different products and kind of give you all opinions about it. User analytics, it's simple, it's fun. You can go ahead and put your email, agree to the terms and submit. This is a really good website. The different types of methods that they have here that you can get paid. They have Think Aloud, content testing, information architecture, surveys and quantity, usability testing, advanced methodology. So they have all these different types of testings that you can do. Mixed method user research. The possibilities is just endless of what type of testings that they have. Then we have another website called GGU2 2u.org, and it pays you to play games, watch videos, take surveys, and more. You can go ahead and sign up. Once you get sign up, you'll get a $1 bonus added to your account. Click the sign up button. And then we have another one here called Microsoft Rewards. What that is you accumulate enough points to cash up and redeem it for these particular gift cards that they have. Make sure that you have enough points though accumulated so you'll be able to, cash out the right particular products that you want. So if you want, a Microsoft gift card, you will have it's just all these different ways to earn from your points. That's why I use it. You'll know how many points you have accumulated, and you can cash out from the different gift cards that they have here. It's a whole lot of gift cards. Definitely don't miss out on this opportunity. The last one is called NCP. And you get paid pretty much for shopping. So you get points for all the shoppings that you have to do. This is NCP. You don't want to miss out on that. But that is all I have today, Money Makers. Have a great day. Bye.